Good morning, guys. So today we got something really special going on today. So today we're in Halong Bay and we're going to be taking a cruise, but we're not taking an overnight cruise because those things are expensive, so we didn't want to do that. So we're going to go take a 6-hour cruise. And to do a 6-hour cruise, the reason why we went with it is it really wasn't too much, and it was right there in between the good value, and you get a chance to see everything without going like super expensive. So we decided to go on a 6-hour single day cruise. It's 600,000 per person, and we're here at the international port right here, and I'll leave details on how to get here. But let me show you guys inside, and then I'll show you guys the boat. Man, it is like super packed in here. It's Thursday, super packed. It's really, really nice in here as well. Air conditioning. The port looks amazing. So you can pick up a lot of things. You can pick up breakfast here. They have like breakfast, they have coffee, and then like trinkets and things if you want to buy some stuff. But lots of stuff to do here while you're waiting for your boat to arrive. So we're waiting here in the waiting area. Man, you can see like it is packed out here. Look at this. It's absolutely packed in here. Hey T.
6 hours, Halong Bay, and a bunch of other excursions.
Yep. So supposedly on this cruise, you're gonna be able to do some kayaking. You're gonna be able to do some fishing. There's 6 spots that they're gonna stop at. Lunch is also included. So yeah, lots of cool stuff. Just made it onto the boats, and it's a pretty packed boat. Halong Bay is absolutely one of the nicest places that I've ever seen, the most amazing or the most wonderful. There's not enough words to describe this place. It's absolutely magical. It's amazing up here. So our boat here has actually like 2 levels. So I'm up on the top deck, and the captain's back there steering the boat, and it's more breezy up here, so it's really nice. But the thing is, there's no like shade, and like it's really sunny, so can't stay up here too long. But just really enjoying the views up here. We just got dropped off to our first port, which is Surprise Cave. Oh, just finished Surprise Cave, and warning, there's a lot of stairs, and it's a pretty large cave system in there. So you're allowed 45 minutes to just explore if you want to, and then you're greeted with this amazing view. So really nice stop, really nice stop. Well, we have a shockingly nice surprise. The lunch is ready after we climbed those stairs. Looks pretty nice actually. I'll show you guys what we have. So the lunch was actually really pretty good. It was included. It wasn't bad. It wasn't great, but it works. It was fine. It was good. They just dropped us off, and there's an option to do some kayaking. So the kayaking is actually included into this trip. So we might do that. Or if you don't want to kayak on your own, they have a boat that'll just take you around too. So if you want to do that. Okay, so we elected to do some canoeing or kayaking, me and my son. So we're gonna go into those caves over there, and our boat is over there. It's pretty fun doing it with my son. He's only 6. He's doing so well. He's doing so good. The water is like super clean, super clean. You can kind of almost see some fish, but it's a little bit deep, but super clean. Amazing views. So once you go through this, it looks like you're just like in this like cove area. You having fun, Ethan?
I'm coming!
Hey T, how'd you like your excursion there?
Oh, the sea was so hot, I couldn't even enjoy it. Like, it's like my butt is roasted.
My son had a really good time. He did really well kayaking. He paddled really good, but I enjoyed the kayaking part. I would actually go do that again.
The water is so
it's
green
very clear
and
here.
Very calm.
Yeah,
like I can't imagine this is like the ocean.
Yeah, very cool.
It looks like a gigantic lake. Yeah. Super green, like emerald green.
Yeah.
And calm.
Yeah, and what's nice about it is when you go into the cove, they don't allow any type of motorboats in there, so you really have the cove to yourself. And we kind of got there early before the crowds, because like now there's like a crap load of crowds here. So it's good that we got there a little bit early. But yeah, next trip, next stop. All right, so this is our last stop of the day. It looks like it's Thai Top, that's what it's called. And here you're gonna get a chance to go swimming if you wanted to. So they do drop you off, so you can go swimming. It's kind of like I guess a private beach, but everyone's getting dropped off here. Try to enjoy yourself here. You get another 45 minutes, and then we're gonna head back. So when you guys come to Halong, you're gonna see the bridge right there. So the bridge actually separates 2 sides of Halong. So we're staying on this side right here, and then the other side is over there. So you're gonna have the international port and everything on this side. You have the international port, you have Sun World also over here, and then you've got the downtown area where we're at, down over here on this side of Ha Long. And then you also got the Sun Wheel on the other side, so it's all separated by that bridge. You can see a rainbow out there. If you look right there, that right there is our homestay. Yep, right there. It's getting to about 4 o'clock. The cruise we went on a 6-hour cruise, and the cruise is now over. And it is beautiful out here. It is absolutely beautiful out here. If you look over there, Ha Long is actually raining right now, and we're about to be headed right into there. So ended up being a good day. We ended up being in a sunny day. Didn't get rained on or anything. Would I recommend going on this? Absolutely. Look for this company right here, Hai Binh. If you want to go on this boat right here. There's a lot of other boats, obviously, but I definitely recommend them. They're very nice. The ticket pricing again wasn't too bad. I try to get it at the hotel, but definitely worth it. But I'm just exhausted, and it's super hot outside. But I'm glad I did it. The views are absolutely amazing out here. Absolutely amazing. You're not going to regret it. We're just gonna go back to the hotel, take a shower, and then we'll probably get something to eat. And I'll see you guys in a bit. See you guys when we get back. What's up, YouTube fam? Hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you guys want to continue supporting our channel, please continue to watch, like, subscribe, and if you can, get us a super thanks and buy us a coffee. And I'll see you guys in the next one.